How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing all right.
No more heavy lifting, right?
No.
Sounds like you were moving your bed around again, maybe?
No. Oh, we got 2 dressers, and I didn't move them around.
You hired college students, right?
I did move them around, but I put them on blankets and drug them to where they need to go, and then drug them across the carpet.
Awesome, awesome.
So I didn't lift them myself, no. But I did twist my ankle pretty bad yesterday.
Oh, which one?
My right one.
Your right one?
Yeah.
Okay. What happened?
I was walking into the garage with a bunch of cardboard boxes, and I stepped off the deck and miscalculated my foot placement and just buckled.
Alright, so what we'll do is we'll kind of release these muscles here, okay? And then we're definitely going to take a look at your ankle here. How's the knees holding you up?
That's actually what was hurting before I twisted my ankle, was my knee. So, they haven't been doing so hot. I was supposed to go on a hike tomorrow. I think a 2.5 mile hike, but I don't think that's happening because it's gonna rain, and so I don't think we're gonna go.
Alright, still working out?
I did not work out today.
Okay.
Because I twisted my ankle.
Alright. So take it easy for about a week, okay?
Alright.
Just let the body heal a little bit, just a little bit.
I think we're supposed to do yoga on Sunday.
Oh, you and your wife?
Yeah.
Awesome. So she's roping you into doing it, right?
Pretty much.
Good for her. I highly recommend you do it. Yeah. Do you feel this, that this side is lower than this one? You're actually protecting this side?
The left side's lower?
The right side, technically. So this side is much lower than this. You're literally twisting like this.
No, I couldn't tell. I thought I was twisted the other way. I thought the left side was lower.
Oh, no. You can definitely see it. Alright, let's take a look here. Yeah, so these are even. Good. Yeah, that's not bad to do. Good.
Are you popping it?
Yeah, that's called a drop table. So it's actually adjustment. What happens is the table drops down and then stops very quickly, which allows me to move the joint. There we go. Good. All right, let's go face up. Let's take a look at the ankle. All right, you gotta take out both of your shoes, bud.
All right. I got these Rick and Morty socks.
What's the name?
I can't remember his name either.
I can't remember his name either. He got shot. I remember that.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I remember.
Oh, Lord.
Poopy butthole.
Yes.
Oh god. Look like that.
I love that show.
The new season just came out, right?
I know.
It just started, yeah. All right. Well, let's take a look. All right. You said which one you twisted?
The right one.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look here.
Oh, shit.
Is there a specific place where you feel it the most? I'm actually going to take out the whole
I
sock.
think it's the left one. I can't remember.
You can't remember, huh?
They both hurt all the time, but it feels like the left one is hurting, like right in here.
Well, let's see if there's any discoloration here. Yeah, this one's definitely swollen. You can't see it, but just by palpation, I can tell you by the feel that this one's definitely swollen. Yeah. All right. Well, let's see what we can do. If I go like this, painful? All the way down. Painful?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Where is it painful at?
Same spot as the other one.
Okay. If we go this way?
Oh.
Uh-huh. What this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. What if I do this? No?
No.
Okay. What about this one?
No.
That?
Mm-hmm.
That?
Mm-hmm.
On the inside or the outside?
Outside.
Outside, okay. How about that?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah, so this was definitely swollen. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at your knees while you're here. Alright, we're gonna press down. Yeah, so it moves both ways. That's not good. Okay. Oh, this is much better. Okay. So not only did you mess up your ankle, you also seem to mess up your knee.
Yes.
On top of what they were already messed up.
Oh, it's great news.
I know, that's what you want to hear, don't you?
Best way to start the weekend.
Yeah. Speaking of which, how's that makes your low back? It's also the aggravated?
The back?
Yeah.
No, not really. No.
Alright. Well, in that case, let's have it face towards me. We're going to adjust the back, then we're going to adjust the knees.
Face this way?
Nope, towards me, on your side.
Oh, my side.
On your side, yep. We've done this at least once before. It's okay. As long as I remember what I'm doing, we should be okay.
Okay. Oh.
There we go. Good, let's go to the other side.
Sweet baby Jesus. Oh. Okay.
There we go.
I'm just fighting it. That's fine.
Oh, that's okay. There we go. Go on your back.
I think that was the first time I've hurt my back pop from you doing that one. Except for the first time I came in.
move that just a little bit. Yep, there we go. Perfect.
I love this one.
Everybody has like
No!
one that they like.
I don't like that one.
Move up just a little bit. There we go. There we go. All right, let's get to the fun part.
Oh, we haven't done the fun part yet?
No. Grab onto the side.
Oh,
yeah. So I gotta pull on the thing that hurts. So I gotta poke the bear.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So let's start with the more interesting one. Okay. All right, and there we go. Yeah. One more. You ready for this? Nice and relaxed. Good. Now let's take care of this one. Good. Alright. Turn around, face down. Alright, remember they were talking about the knee thing?
Yeah.
That's exactly what we're going to be doing here. Yeah. You probably really felt it, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Good? Good. Alright, go ahead, turn that face up. On your back, on your back. You get a little exercise just being on this table. Yeah, that's much better. Now it doesn't move. Alright. Let's sit your foot up. Alright. Have you ever had kinesio tape on you before, bud?
No.
No. Alright, we're going to do a very simple job today. If I put this tape on kind of your low back, you can stay up to 5 days. You can shower with that and run and sweat and exercise, no problem. Because this is a foot that's going to be rubbing a lot. If we get 24 hours out of it,
Get lucky.
we'll get lucky, yeah. So one of these things with the tape is, you notice it's stretched, itching, just take it off. All of this is stretchy tape, nothing more. Okay? And some glue. Oh, do not blow dry this thing either, otherwise you're gonna have permanent new blue skin and we're going to be having fun. So this is kind of not a traditional kinesia taping job. This is more of a mixture between a sports tape job and with kinesia tape type of a thing. So this is kind of designed more for elastic support than anything else. Okay? Alright, so in theory, it should give you a lot more motion in the foot with the minor support.
If I do go on a hike tomorrow, should I take a walking stick with me?
Take what with you?
Like I use a walking stick? Or...
Yes, absolutely. And keep in mind that with this injury, you might not be able to walk as long as you can. So don't go somewhere where, like, 5 miles in, you're like, oh, I still gotta walk 5 miles back. In fact, I would recommend that you don't go tomorrow. Just give it some time to heal. I know your personality is go, 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 go. But we need time to heal, my friend.
These injuries are making it hard.
Yeah. I think you get a new injury between every other day, literally. Yeah. All right, let's have you sit up. Let's take a look at you. Turn your legs over. Let's take a look at the shoulders.
Oh, great.
All right. Nice and relax here. One more. Good. I'm going to go to this side. Good. All right, move around, see how you feel. Able to touch your toes, good.
Yeah. Wow, close it. Oh, shoot, I can touch the floor. Oh, wow.
Small things in life.
I know.
Don't get too carried away.
I know.
Do we address everything?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you next week, all right?
All right, Doc, thank you.
You're welcome.